Nice little yellow V7. Don't know what's going on. It's supposed to be a glorious sunny Saturday, but I guess the shitty weather is putting everyone off from riding their motorbikes. Right, because it's dead. Crazies.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down.
Yeah, can't believe that. Can't believe that at all. Absolutely dead up here. What a glorious day to be out on your motorbike. And hardly anyone is. Bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. They're all crazies. To be honest, it is a little bit late in the day. I'm guessing they've been and gone. Been and gone. I'm on nights this weekend, so that's why I'm late out to play. Now, when I was on my way up here, there was police cars and smashed up vehicles all around here, so I don't really think they'll have had time to clear it properly yet. So I'm just mindful of the fact that I could be about to peer around the corner. Yeah, it was all around here, I think. Maybe they've got it cleared up. No, they haven't. Not quite sure exactly what happened. There was a bit of a smasheroo. I don't know whether these brake lights here, there we go, smashed up. Guess it was just a crash. Damn, this green canopy is proper shading. Proper shading. In the winter, the sun comes right through here when it's up. So yes, the wrong kind of sunshine, the wrong kind of nice weather. Maybe that's what's putting all the bikers off, eh? It's weird, it really is. We spend all our time whinging about how rainy it is, how wet and miserable it is, and then we get a day like today, which, yes, it is hot, especially in full kit. Well, that's why you need to be on your bike. Get some air between your hair. Hot, sticky tarmac and tyres. Blue skies. Giant great yellow orb in it. Utterly puckly. Anyway, I wasn't here to talk about the weather. I'm not your local friendly weather forecaster. That's not why we're here. What I wanted to talk about is actually, why are you here? What was it that brought you to my channel? Those of you that are subscribers, that is. What got you here? Normally when a channel gets started, the majority of their followers and subscribers, etc., are other motovloggers. So is that how you found my channel, by just being another motovlogger? Or did you start following me because of one of my specific motorcycles? Maybe it was the Moto Guzzi when I first started the channel. Maybe it was the KTM 390 Jeep that I had for a while. Or even this little puppy, my Triumph Street Triple 765R. No rider. Mouthful. Or it could have been my Beta. My little Beta Alp 4.0. Now, for me to work out what content most people want to see, it's always good to have a little idea of what brought you all here, because then I can do a kind of a pro rata type approach, or whatever you call it, to putting the content up. Now the Beta Alp 4.0 is more of a winter bike for me, although I do hope to use it throughout the summer as well, but it's primarily just to keep me doing some riding all year round. So the winter will generally have more footage from that, although I will try and spread some of that into the summer. And the Moto Guzzi. Now, because of how impractical that motorcycle is now, I've got my hands on it and chopped it to pieces. That is definitely a summer motorcycle primarily. And that is kind of why I ended up getting the Triumph as well, was so I had something that would do a little bit of everything very competently, and it does. So the Triumph can kind of get used all year round, which is quite nice. But there's other things I do, it's like the motovlogging history stuff. I mean, I love them, they're why I started my channel really. Merely to start with, I just put filters up while I got my head around everything. but I really like sharing those castle visits with you and the oldie places that I go to. But they're not really my most popular videos, they're just the things that I enjoy. And the track day stuff, now my track day videos do really quite well compared to a lot of other people's track day videos. But I do know that if I did a lot of track days, people would soon get quite bored of them, and that would swamp my audience with too much to look at, so they wouldn't really want to have a look at every single track day video or every single session. So I have to spread them out, keep the hook dangled, get you clicking that bait. So if it was the track day stuff that brought you here, again, it's going to be very hard for me to maintain that throughout the year, because I think you'd actually get bored of that if I just kept on putting that stuff up. And the same with the castles. I mean, like, people would probably run away very quickly if all I posted was castle visits. Well, not all of you, some of you. So yes, what was it that brought you to my channel? Was it a specific bike, a specific type of riding, a specific type of place I visit? Or was it just my magnetic personality? Which I doubt it was the latter. Anyways, please do drop in a comment down below. Let me know why it is you're here, what it is you like and all that sort of stuff. I'm not saying your answer will be what I always post stuff about, but it would be nice if I could try and tailor the amount of stuff I do of each individual thing to suit you a little bit better. And if you're new here, if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to do so, and do check out all my other content as well. It would be lovely to have your input as a new person to my channel as to what sort of things you'd like to see. So yeah, have a look at my back catalogue. Not all of my most popular videos are necessarily stuff that you're going to want to see, because they cater for individual markets, but like some of my vlogs, some of my visits, some of my track days, take a look at those. Anyways, whatevs, missus. If you like this video, if you like my channel, if you like any of my motorcycles, any of my visits, any of the little things that I get up to, do please give this video a little thumbs up. And if you don't like anything that I've ever done, or ever will do, or whatever's, feel free indeedy doo-doo, to give it a little thumbs down. But like I say, whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. It would be lovely to have your input. New subscriber, old subscriber, unsubscriber, about to unsubscriber. Yes, all drop in a comment, let me know what you think. Anyways, about time for me to go. So you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.